Hey guys, Amir here, and welcome back to my channel. This past week, I've been in South Carolina on the beach, and I collected a lot of shells. The reason that I collected all these shells is so that I can make bracelets out of them. If you'll notice, all the shells I collected have little holes in them, so I can string them through thread and make bracelets. Here are some of my inspo pics for what I kind of want my bracelets to turn out like. So let's get to making. So first I'm gonna get a bowl and fill it with water so I can rinse all the sand out of my shells. Then I'm going to strain all the water out of them and then dry them. Alright, I have all my beads and shells and I'm going to get to bracelet making. So first I want to make a clay bead bracelet with one shell in the middle. So first I'm going to pick out my shell so I can sort of get the color tone I want to go for. I'm thinking this shell would be good to go in the middle. So now for the clay bead colors, I'm thinking I'm going to do some ocean blues. Like these colors. So now I'm going to start making this bracelet. Time to make my next bracelet. This time I'm going to be using some pearl beads. I think I want to make an alternating pattern of small white shells and these clear pink beads. So first, a couple pink beads, and then I'm gonna place my small white shell. Alright, time for the next one. Also, I forgot to say that I will be showing all of the final bracelet results at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned. Also, if you have any bracelet suggestions for me to make in the future or show in another video, definitely comment down below what I should do, what pattern, what colors, that kind of thing. But for my next one, I'm thinking these white beads all around, then beach. And on both ends of the word beach, I'm going to put these two blue shells. So let's get to work. For my last bracelet in this video, I'm just going to try putting a bunch of shells together onto one bracelet. I don't know how it's going to turn out because they're all sorts of different shapes and sizes, and they may not all fit together, but we're just going to give it a try. Alright, time for me to reveal the bracelets that I just made with my shells from South Carolina. So the first one I made was a clay bead bracelet with one shell in the middle. This is what it looks like. It honestly didn't turn out the best because the shell's kind of like loose because there wasn't a hole on the other end, and I didn't know how to put a hole on the other end without breaking the whole shell. But it is pretty cute. I'm gonna put it on. And if I just wear it like that, it looks like the shell's attached, and I do think it is super, super cute. The next one I made was the alternating pink beads and white shells, and I think this one actually turned out so cute. And when you put it on, it just looks so cute and unique. And it's neutral, so it can really go with anything. Then I made the one that said beach, and on each end it had a shell. And this is how that turned out. I think it is super cute and simple. And when you wear it, the shells just sort of fall into place. And last but definitely not least, I tried throwing together all the shells on one strand, and this is how it turned out. This is definitely my favorite. I did put some beads on this side because when I put it on, that's the side the bottom of my wrist is on, and I didn't want to accidentally break any shells if there were some on this side. It's so cute and unique, and I really love this bracelet. So in order from favorite to least favorite, the all shell one is my favorite, then the alternating, then the one that says beach, and lastly the clay bead one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this inspired you next time you're on vacation to collect some shells and get crafty. Please subscribe for more craft related content, and let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite and what kind of bracelet I should make with my shells next. That's all for now. Mir out.